Good evening.
Is it evening?
Yeah, it's gone 5.
It's gone 5. This is just a quick update about the Vegega prize draw. You may remember that we did a prize draw over a month ago now.
Way over a month now, yeah.
And
maybe 2 months ago.
Yeah, it's a bit of a problem because the person who we drew out the hat,
it's not been in touch.
They've not been in touch, and there's no way we can get in touch with them. So
we have tried.
It's a bit of a dilemma. We have tried to get in touch with them. We've posted things on social media and on YouTube and stuff, but there's no contact details for this person. So we had a word with Vegega, the company who sponsored the video and the raised bed giveaway
as well. Yeah.
And we suggested, we came to the conclusion that it would be better to
do a redraw.
So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the original prize draw video
content,
and
we've agreed it with them.
We've agreed it, so
it's okay with YouTube as well.
And so we thought we'd give you advance notice of that and let you know that if you entered the last the video, the prize draw thing,
we're going to put all the names back into a hat.
Yeah.
Minus the previous.
That's it.
Winner who hasn't claimed a prize or his prize.
Her prize.
Her prize.
And we're gonna draw it again. So you've got a second chance of winning a Vegega raised bed. So
and we're going to make that video very shortly, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to make it in a few
soon.
days. So we're going to give it a few days, and then we're going to do that. And
so that nice new round Vegega raised bed 17-inch high, 42 across,
could be yours.
Will be winging its way to you very shortly.
Could be yours.
Because as soon as we do that,
yeah,
and we get the new winner,
yeah,
then we pass on and they confirm and get the details back to us, and then we pass them details on to Vegega, and then they send it out direct.
Yeah, it's all
done then.
It's all about YouTube community guidelines and doing it proper, right? Really.
Of course, yeah.
So,
but we can't go on waiting for someone to get in touch.
No, because otherwise we don't give it away and nobody benefits, do they?
On, you know.
Yeah. So look out for that. Look out for a new prize draw coming up soon. That's all it is. Isn't it?
That's it. We'll just put the names in the hat again and pull a new winner out.
Yeah. Now,
so no need to resend the questions, the answers to the questions, anything like that. We'll just get all the ones who responded last time, put them in, and get a new winner.
That's it.
That's it.
Said beautifully and with so many words. And remember, all the words out there, all we have to do
is put them in the right order.
The right order.
Yeah, but you see, females are naturally vocal, Phil.
See what I mean?
See what I mean?
I know. You can feel my pain, can't you? Feel my pain. Anyway.
Yeah, it's all imaginary.
Right. You know what? I'd give you a tour of the plot, but it's very wet at the moment.
Well,
so
the rain's just gone off. We just arrived just after 5 now, and it's just gone off.
I know, but I'm not prepared for a plot tour anymore. We'll do it another day.
What about just a quick whiz round?
No, this is just to do with this update. We'll do it on a separate video. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in a few days' time.
With a new winner.
Hopefully.
Bye.
Bye.